My name's Harrison Highland. I am 18 and I'm from St Helens in the northwest of England. I do in a BTEC National Level 3, which is electrical engineering. Mr Jones is a very good teacher and gives you a good insight of kind of like an engineer's mind as such. So I've never heard of a 3D printer properly. All of a sudden he brought his prototype version to college. I was like, it's alright. And then he brought this Ultimaker 2 It kind of blew me away as such. It was crazy to see something actually produce. Start, press print and go home, come back in the morning, all your job's done for yourself.
So I think what it teaches the students is not to be afraid of making mistakes. I think sometimes some students are afraid that if they don't produce something that's perfect the first time, that's a problem. And really, it's not at all, because quite often you learn from your mistakes. By physically printing them, it allows them to test and then improve upon their design. Some engineering students have been making some designs that are rather crude, and then they can work out how they can be improved. This one in particular is a number of component parts, so we try to encourage them to not just look at one part, but how several parts can fit together. If you have a design such as that and the tolerance isn't right, it's going to stick, so it's not going to move smoothly. They're really enthusiastic about it. What's interesting is that our younger students are interested in it from the age of 11 right through to 18 as well. So it interests students with mathematical skills, scientific skills, but also creative skills of all ages and all genders, boys and girls.